Okay, so one of the boys seen a video and making some chicken and some basmati rice. So what we need to do is, first of all, we sprinkle some paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and then we're going to sprinkle this Memphis Pit barbecue rub on there. We're going to fry it first. We got a couple of different batches. We're going to fry it and then we'll put it in a pan. Okay, so far they have the chicken nice and brown. Okay, we're boiling some water so we can got some chicken bouillon cubes we want to you know, make into chicken, whatever. Here's the rice. This is basmati rice. Basmati. Anyways, in with this. Sprinkle some more paprika, some onion powder, the rest of the barbecue seasoning, and onion powder. So now we're going to put the chicken in here, and we're going to get some boiling water to put in here. We're also going to put some red bell pepper. So, alright, let's see how this comes out. Okay, so in this pan, give me a fork or something. So you can see they got the chicken in here. There's rice down here. Rice. We sauteed a bell pepper. Okay. We put in some more whatever seasoning we used before. Oh, we're going to put some pinto beans in here too. Dump them in, juice enough. Thank you. So there's more. The last of the barbecue sauce, onion powder, garlic powder. Yeah. Now, we're going to take this and we're going to, I think we're going to cover it and put it in the oven at 350 for like an hour. Or until all the water is gone, because we don't want the rice to burn. And this is what it looked like on the plate. They all said it was absolutely delicious. In fact, when I got there the next day, I was going to try and have me a plate of it, but guess what? It was completely gone. So they made a whole package of chicken, which is about 6 pieces, which, you know, we did cut up and stuff. And yeah, they absolutely loved this dish. Another easy dish that you can have the kids help with in the kitchen. I just absolutely love cooking with the boys. It teaches them how to measure things out. It teaches them what their end product is going to be. Yeah, get the kids in the kitchen helping out.